We are happy that now everywhere in the county we have those services available because of this kind of training. Not only the services are available, but young people are thriving. You know, when you see a young lady that did tailoring now having a uniform shop, you know, creating, providing services that before people were getting from Kiserian, now available in Endasopia, more than 80 kilometers away, then we can really say that this program has become successful.
As graduates, you are now equipped to become innovators, entrepreneurs, and skilled professionals who will create jobs, improve livelihoods, and strengthen our industries.
The impact of these hands-on skills on the youths. We have seen live testimonies of people who have employed themselves and also employed others.
These skills are very important, especially to our youth outside there, because they need a small capital, and also it is hands-on. This means that they are going to use the basic skills that they have been trained. At the same time, the companies within Kajiado County, they are able to absorb them.